What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, it's Monday and it looks like the weather is going to finally cooperate with us and give us the opportunity to pour our concrete. It's been raining all morning, but it is finally broke. The concrete guys are here. We're waiting on the concrete, and then we're going to get busy. So appreciate you stopping by. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and always thank you for watching. Stay tuned. As you can see behind me, guys, they've got the plastic down, they've got the form set up. All we got to do now is waiting on the truck. So it's eventually going to get here and we'll get busy. Guys, as you can see, like I said, that didn't take too long. They got the smoothing machine on the concrete now. Gonna let it sit up for just a little bit and then go back and get it slick. Okay guys, as you can see behind me, the concrete is down. It's all slicked up, just about ready to go. They're gonna have to come back in tomorrow and cut the expansion joints, let it dry overnight. If any of you guys are interested, the building is 20 wide by 31 long, and we used 8.5 yards of concrete. Lopez Concrete did the work. I put their information down below. They really did a top-notch job, really fast, really professional. If you guys are interested in some concrete work, consider giving them a call. They'll give you a free estimate. That being said, I think we're going to bring this to a close. Like always, please like, please subscribe. Every new subscriber we get helps further our channel. So, catch you on the next one.